This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LA 2150 SLE Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Forest River Sunseeker LA 2150 SLE Ford is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.